What's that?
Penguins walk like this. And Daddy, do you know the slide?
Yeah.
This was whoosh, like that. Oh, there's still there.
Okay. Wait for me there, Joe.
Waiting. Laugh at you, Daddy.
You laugh at me.
Yeah. Squishy.
Squishy.
Really squishy.
I'll show you where the house is. No running.
Yeah. Whoa.
Edo, wait for us.
Oh, look at the water. Right.
Can you see them?
Yeah, I see them. I see them right there.
Okay, Joe. Hey, Joe. Come back.
Okay. Daddy, can we go feed them?
If they come closer, we will.
That one's not going down. They have some bread.
What do you think they're saying?
I think they're hungry. It's on the other side.
Let me see if they'll see.
Daddy, can I feed them? It's so fluffy. It's really cute.
Yeah.
I want to, Daddy. What do you mean a doggy? When you grow up, you can have a doggy.
Mummy, don't throw any more because they're not even eating that. They need to finish that.
Oh.
Look, there's plenty in the water.
But I'm just gonna take one out and then I wanna eat it.
Hey, go on then. But it's not for you. It's meant to be for them.
It is nice. Hey, Joe. Well, enough. I just ate a little bit.
Yeah, give it to me.
I've got some jam. Is there plenty more they didn't eat? Oh, I think they're drinking water, Daddy. Daddy, they're drinking water before they eat.
Yeah? Are they thirsty?
Yeah.
I'm sure they shouldn't have any problem.
Baby. Oh, you were gonna eat. Okay. No, we'll watch. I think that one's the fastest. I think that one's fast. Oh, it's not fast. Oh. Daddy, look, it's moving. The water.
For the water.
Yes, the water moves. I'm still eating. I see one there. It's all two. Do you want more? Oh, I think the other one, the one.
Hey, throw it. Don't go close. Just throw it. Throw it there.
Just go and eat it. Can I have one? Please? And I want one again. Oh, she's a little bit hungry.
Okay, throw it.
Okay. Can I have some?
Yeah.
Huh?
Throw it then.
Get this one.
Okay, come back.
Ooh, nice. She likes it.
Yeah.
They want more. Oh man.
Stop there, Joe. Not too close to the water. Don't want you to fall into the water.
Because there might be some waves coming in.
Yeah.
But water. Oh. This one like water. Daddy,
Ooh.
take the bread.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll give it to you. With the right hand, and then throw in the water. Okay, there. Stop there. Throw. With the right hand, Mummy. Just throw the entire everything. Okay, come.
I have things.
Do you want to do it, Krista?
Yeah. Eat them. They're not gonna eat
Just
it.
throw it here in the water.
Throw the whole thing.
Okay, there. Stop there. Throw. Okay, come.
Well done, Chris.
Well done.
Nice one. They're coming. Doesn't
Look.
look like the peanut one. It's a big mummy one.